In the heart of America's Dairyland, Golden Calf Company has followed the American dream. From its humble beginnings in the owner's garage, importing a foreign product, we have evolved into a powerhouse of innovation, production, competence, and reliability, a true manufacturing enterprise. Driven by customer demand, we started our transformation by developing a better colostrum pasteurizer that can easily withstand the daily demands of a 10,000-cow dairy. Today, our new facility in Bloomer, Wisconsin, manufactures not only colostrum pasteurizers and warmers, but has an entire plastics division producing the rest of our accessories, including colostrum bags and tube feeders. This transformation sets us apart from our competition. While growing up on a fourth-generation dairy gave us the foundation of animals, farming, and family business, it was our production growth that has given us the unique understanding of what large-scale dairies truly need: employee comfort, lean protocols, robust management tools, and the unwavering reliability of equipment and suppliers. Our customers' input and feedback guide us to enhance our designs, ensuring we deliver products that are truly trustworthy. By building each machine individually, we are able to immediately implement improvements, becoming a true partner in your progress. From text messaging alerts to autofill stations, our eyes are fixed firmly on the future, ensuring our farmer partners have access to innovation and leading-edge technology from a US-based supplier at an affordable price. While we have invested in cutting-edge technology, responsible recycling, and meticulous organization, the heart of our operation lies in our people. We work collaboratively to ensure every detail is addressed, from design to accurate and timely delivery. Our products are American-made for American farmers. Come experience the future of calf care with us.